So if you didn't watch my week 4 NFL weekly picks video, you'll know that I immediately picked the Packers to win this game. Lewis, what happened? Who didn't win the game?
Okay.
Packers didn't win. And here I thought the Eagles were going to lose. Packers lose, Eagles win. Packers lose, Eagles win. I had to have Lewis up here for this one because he's a Packers fan. And yes, I consider myself an Eagles fan, even though I'm wearing a Tom Brady jersey. I know I trigger so many fucking Eagles fans with this jersey when I do the Eagles videos. And I trigger so many Patriots fans when I wear my Eagles jersey during the Patriots videos. So that's why I do it. But anyways, Lewis, are you ready to recap this game? All right, well, let's dive into the first quarter as the Pack goes up 7-0. Then on a 30-yard Mason Crosby field goal, they take a 10-0 lead. But then Carson Wentz in the second quarter gets the Birds up on the board. Carson Wentz with a shotgun pass down the middle for 6 yards, touchdown. But apparently it was nullified by a penalty on Zach Ertz, offensive pass interference, 10 yards enforced at the Green Bay 6. No play. The replay official reviewed the offensive pass interference ruling, and the play was reversed. Shotgun pass, short, middle to Alshon Jeffrey for 6 yards, touchdowns. So apparently what happened there is, no, they reviewed it, said, nah, there wasn't no pass interference, fuck you, and gave him the point. Then, of course, Mason Crosby makes it 13-7 Pack. Then the Birds will hop right on in front and make it 14-13 Birds. Then another touchdown. Oh, this game was good, man. This game was good. Another touchdown for the Birds as it's now 21-13. But then the Pack grab another tutty to make it a one possession game at halftime. Then Lewis, what all unfolded in the second half.
And we have Eagles get a first down. Final touchdown with Mathboy999 20 yards. Eagles now win 27-20. Then we have Aaron Walker get a first down with a pass first. And halftime again 27-27. And Eagles went off before get a first down. They are 34-27 win. And Packers did have a plan to come back at the end, but a rookie interception happened, and her Eagle went off and went.
Oh, lucky interception. Yeah, okay. That's just the sound of a salty Packers fan. a lucky interception happened in the Eagles. Yeah, okay. Let's see how the stats unfolded. Carson Wentz, my boy Carson. Oh, I'm not wearing Carson's jersey. I'm wearing Brady. If I was putting my hands up as if I was wearing Carson's jersey. I should have worn my Eagles jersey. Oops. Oh well. But of course, Carson Wentz went 16 for 27, 160 yards, 3 tutties, no motherfucking picks. That's what kind of game I want to see from Carson Wentz. That's what's up. On the ground, the Birds had Jordan Howard going for 15 attempts, 87 yards, 2 touchdowns, average 5.8 yards per carry. Then, of course, the young rookie Miles Sanders. I almost said Mike Sanders. Miles Sanders had 11 attempts for 72 yards, no touchdown, 6.5 yards per carry. And then Carson Wentz had 6 attempts for 13 yards, no touchdowns, 2.2 average yards per carry. Through the air, Carson threw to Alshon Jeffrey 8 times, and out of the 8 times, 9 times to Alshon Jeffrey. I was 1 off. But Alshon Jeffrey went 3 for 9, 38 yards, 1 touchdown. Kind of got the numbers mixed up with Zach Ertz and Alshon Jeffrey there. Whoops. Zach Ertz had 7 receptions for 65 yards, no touchdowns, 8 targets. And Jordan Howard had 3 receptions for 28 yards, 1 touchdown, 4 targets. So, Lewis, what happened on the pack side of the ball?
Well, for Castle, Aaron Wahoo, he was going 4 for 53. He got 422 yards, 2 touchdowns, and got 1 interception right at the end of the game. And for the rushing yards, Aaron Wahoo actually had 5 carries for 46 yards. He actually played.
So, he
And
basically did everything for the Packers.
yeah, kind of. And we have Aaron Swartz, he had 13 carries for 21 yards and 1 touchdown. And I don't know if you have two that must play of the night. And we see here, we have Captain Apple at 10 receptions, 180 yards, no touchdown, and 15 targets.
Damn.
And we have Jimmy Graham at 6 receptions for 51 yards, 1 touchdown, and 9 targets. And we have Demarco Allison for 3 receptions, 52 yards, 1 touchdown, and 4 targets. And we have Aaron Swartz, 6 receptions, 27 yards, no touchdown, and a target. And I think we can do Mofu, Pohit,
Nah, the
Pohit.
rest of them don't matter. Nah. That's just the scraps on the table. So, overall, good night for the Eagles, but what the hell happened to your Packers there, Lewis? Huh? I thought they were gonna win this game. 3-0 coming in. What happened? Huh? And
Well,
and the Eagles weren't at full strength either. Come on, what happened?
we don't know what we have. It was 2 but what I said, that last interception at the end of the game, it was enough to hold us out. But they had a chance to come back. But
The
they,
Aaron
you know,
Rodgers just didn't have the luck left in the tank to do it. Man, I don't know. I don't know. I was doubting the birds. And you even saw me. I kept saying you we're gonna lose this game. Packers gonna win this. And the Eagles won. Eagles won. Man. So overall, what do you think of the game for both the Eagles and the Packers?
okay, for the Eagles, they called it a little close, okay?
Yeah,
They
they
called,
did.
they called it to win too, and he came all the way back. They took a lead at the end, and he had interception to win the game. Castle, they were to shoot at the end, and he came with an evil come back a little bit. Okay, he tied it up, and like I said, he had a chance to win. Not win, but tie it up and maybe go the overtime. Okay, he threw that interception. But it was still a 2 game to 1.
I agree. It was still a fun back and forth game to watch. I was blowing up Lewis the whole time we were watching it. That's why I brought Lewis on here because it's like we both. I like the Eagles. He likes the Packers. So it's like that, and I've been really waiting for this matchup to come up. So, so let's look ahead to the Birds' next game, which Lewis, we're very familiar with this opponent, obviously. The New York Jets. Last week we witnessed, I do believe Tom Brady beat the shit out of him. Or who was that last week?
Hit one something.
Yeah, yeah, played the Jets last week, and well, what they, what their offense didn't do shit. Was it just all their special? Yeah, I think it was just all their special teams, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Jets special teams. What got them like 2 touchdowns?
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, we're 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 looking ahead to a 0-4 Jets squad. I think this is, if we can keep it up and did what we did against the Packers, then we should have no problem against the Jets, man. You know, they're the fucking Jets, right, Lewis?
Mm-hmm.
They're the Jets. So, what do you think? Got any words about next week? And yes, I put the correct date. I know in the Patriots video I fucked up the date. I put October 10th instead of October 6th. But keep in mind, both games are even the Patriots game, that's on October 6th. Both games will be on 1 o'clock. And what's going to be a big problem for me is that both games are going to be on CBS. Yeah. Uh, so this the iPad here is going to come in handy. But anyway, Lewis, any words on next week? You know, what do you got to say about the shitty old Jets?
Okay. I'm going to play a player profile with my, they may have a two-head next week with a flip, and let's see how he do.
That's what we can say. You know, let's see how they do. Let's see how Philly can perform. You know, let's see if we can get this done. See if we can get this dub. Let's see if Carson Wentz can play as good as he did tonight. So, but any final words about the game we witnessed?
Well, I think it was a few games. Eagles hit mostly pass to win it. Pass for he hit two flaws tonight, but he hit some ways he wanted it to go tonight at the end. But it was a great game. Hopefully, pass for he do next week against a Cowboy. I have to pay playing next week. Oh, see how he do with a Cowboy.
Yeah, we'll see how the Packers do with the Cowboys, which I'm hoping the Packers win next week because that'll kind of help us out a little bit. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that is gonna do it for this Birds Packers video review. And again, shout out to Mathboy999. You all know where to find him, Mathboy999. Go subscribe to him on YouTube. He makes NASCAR, Red Sox, Patriots videos, and Bruins videos. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that is gonna do it for this video. Peace out, peeps. Oops.